Today I'm going to unbox the Lenovo Ideapad 3 14-inch laptop. This is the new model Lenovo Ideapad 14-inch Core i5 10th generation processor laptop. Here we can see the specification. It's a Core i5, 8 GB RAM, 1 TB hard disk plus 128 GB SSD with a 2 GB nvidia graphic card, 14-inch Full HD screen with Windows 10. Let's unbox the unit. You can see the full information here and here. You can see the part number of the unit. You can see the power adapter. And the manual. It's very nice color. It's light blue. 14-inch. It's very good design. Tenth generation Core i5 processor, nvidia graphic card, and very beautiful looking power button. You can see how the design. It's very nice metallic finishing. You can see the side. HDMI, USB ports, power side, see the side, car reader, headphone jack. Dolby audio system. The good design. You can see the camera on off button. You can off, you can on. Here you can see the power button. It's a very beautiful laptop.